Azoto will know that it's from Ghana. But you go and see something precious from your homeland. You don't take picture, you don't take video. Why?
Because according to the rules of the meeting, you're not supposed to take pictures. Such.
Me kodem one. Me padie. Na so me dikai. Ehwe ta padie no ko asa na obedi hima.
No, that is like it's okay.
John, where it is going, I think that even from there I can ask questions. So I want to get close to that side. You can.
Yes. Wadaro. Me na ba me ba ye. Me de me lawyer. And now you come out, Manica. And you're best. I can't say. I know. You're to where you're torn of that. And I want to be cut out of it. Maybe Papa is thinking. I don't have the car.
My Lord.
Council, okay. Okay, let me say, Mama, you have sent for questions, sir. Why?
My honor.
Yes. Hold on. Oh, Vivian.
Hold on.
No, Mr. You have a no, but you have something to say.
And then,
our elders say,
Yeah.
if you didn't put that thing over there, it will fall down.
yes.
But
Yeah,
yeah,
say you didn't turn over to what you Did you now so you can say, Mama, minutes now.
and the pias, maybe I can tell about the piano. I'll use my traditional law to bring it.
Okay. Piano. Let's not see. No, him.
So are you walking in out of the court?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, ma obi fukuru aba. You be an na fotu na papa you can na na ba.
Venture.
Na na ma. Ya best say obetna kaka na o bonado.
Papa Jay, this is who we can tell no. And son of Makuma told me
Hey,
what they are much.
you baby I can tell you who baby wo. Hey. And you would I who do you say Adiano? Order. Afternoon now. Say you can't say and accept that. Yes, you pray. Find it. I don't want to hear my what I say. Who just anybody?
And I am the best for him.
The what?
Konsonchi.
You are the what?
The best for him.
Sweet thing queen.
What aroma? I fear you or my you feel. Ejapati e wo ni na me na me hwe so. Na san na wo betimi ahwe.
Your Honor, he sees something. So as the case come where my client come and call me, he should believe himself that I have interest in this case. So I have something to tell the court. Your Honor, please, if you permit me, I'll call my slave queen into the table. Please pass here. Your Honor, you are going to see if he's a slave queen or in a slave queen. Madam beautiful lady, please tell the court. You tell the house. Is the microphone working? You take this one. Hey, please. Please, don't do that. Come and sit down. I want to hold it. Oh, my friend. Please. If you want a better crime, go and take a better crime. I cannot bring crime for you to come and say you hold it. Please take it.
Thank you very much.
Yes, you told us to our chamber that you have interest in this case. Please tell the court what you have that you think that it will help this case.
Okay, so first of all, my name is Asiedu. I'm an arts broker, an international arts broker. And
can you break this down into a very familiar language like
international art broker, international.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, I will not sit down and watch my learned colleague throw dust into the eyes of the court.
All right.
The English that she's speaking, she's an international arts broker. It means she goes around the world.
Thank you. Woman, this man is a shining example. Order.
Objection, my lord.
This man is a shining example.
When he lands, I'll pick your objection.
Of showing your culture everywhere you go.
Right.
He carried the Azoto from here to Abuchi. And he showed it to the world. So now, anybody who sees Azoto will know that it's from Ghana. But you go and see something precious from your homeland. You don't take picture, you don't take video. Why?
Because according to the rules of the meeting, you're not supposed to take pictures. Such.
So I believe the interpreter is the interpreter. Yes, that's the interpreter. And he speaks what language? Chinese. Okay, so the interpreter, let's position him here. Yeah, please. Yeah, in between here. Okay. First of all, everybody, ni hao. Doctor from Amoakohene, ni hao. No, wait. All the elders, ni hao. Hey, man. You are interpreting what he says. I believe that is what he was told him to say. I think it's a greeting. You don't understand. It's a greeting. Yes. The ladies, ni hao. The gentlemen, ni hao. And everybody, ni hao. Your Honor, ni hao. Oh. You know, I'm only saying that there are children here. So when you say ladies, that we must ask. So everybody. So if there are children here and I didn't. Hey, brother. If you are children here. If you are persons, they will. Your Honor, yes. Wait, hold on. Yes. you say, what Ntatia? I'm so happy. Ntatia, what is that? Your Honor, please back to my question. Is there any children here? Sorry, I didn't see because Chinese, our eyes is small. Okay. Very first question, please. Can you tell this court your name, sir? But you're not telling me because Chinese is one of them. Tell this honorable court your name. Shilao. My mind is from Ni Hao. Ni Hao. I've been on also Ni Hao. Ni Hao. Charlie. I said Ni Hao. The Ni Hao is French. If they continue again, I swear by my grandfather, if they continue again, he will help. So, la Shishi, la Ho, Le Hinimo, Shila, Hila Hobo. A dog's home. La Ho, La Shoshui, Liha, Limo, La Hopoi. Ni Hao. And Chania. What's the matter? I will show you your name. Sometimes you have to give them time. When you go to Chinese courts, you have never been to a Chinese court. You know, when you go to Chinese courts, as a sign of courtesy. Yeah. So allow them to greet. They say, if you go to the room, do what Rome do. And if you go to the China, do what the Chinese do. Okay. So now we're on that premise, this is Ghana. Okay. This is my court. And here, you greet one. You don't even greet. So now we've passed the greeting stage. We want to know his name. We want to get the details of the case, where he found the fraud. Counsel, these are the kind of questions I'm asking. Yes, Your Honor. What did she win? One, two, she in the door. One, two, she win. Silai, Lalai, Liho. Mashallah. Mashallah, there is what's your back? Objection, Your Honor. Mashallah is not Chinese. What is Mashallah? Mashallah is Arabic language. For your yes. No, I told you, that is an international art curator. They met in Dubai. He's been dealing with a lot of Arabs. Yeah. So it comes naturally. Mashallah, and he does that. All of that. So, Your Honor, please. Why is she? I'm asking your name. Shilo. Limo. Your name. 我的其实很想借来我。还是借来。Coca-Cola. 你怕做什么事呢？我是你弟弟 Coca-Cola. Yeah. You're the one. So, Mr. Coca-Cola. Yeah. Tell us, where did you get this cloth? La ho, ada ho tiase. No, we can't English. What fun, come on. Si la hoine machine, na maketo, si muri, si, clothes.
Machine la kente. What's the
Chinese.
Oh,
You don't have spirit, you can't touch it.
Your Honor, I have top case now, but today's case is too much.
Okay.
Your Honor, it is spiritual matters.
Okay, cancel. Look ahead. Please. Your Honor, I have somewhere very important to go.
No, wait.
Somewhere.
where?
My lady colleague, you must understand, Your Honor has changed fourth clerk.
Your Honor,
Please, Ntatia.
okay, there is a Chinese code that Shen Guang 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 Shen Shen Heng, meaning a nebe. So, Liao, Si Lili, Kente, Si La Ho, Makate, Si La Hao Mi.
Sheila Kente.
This kente, you will find it. And now see what is happening. Those who called one lawyers, they couldn't see anything.
So you are solving the case. You have done spiritual things.
Yes.
Okay, so now, counsel, you have some questions for them?
We are finding it.
Hold on.
Yes.
Oh.
What oh?
Nanaima, yeah, Bao, and pray won't say I didn't know. Hold on. Not yet.
Let him talk if he has
She can't talk. If the lawyer can have an objection, she can't talk.
Okay.
Counsel.
Your Honor, you see that anytime I want to talk, then some people will interrupt.
Yes.
But if I say something, they will think it's for them. Little drop of water
Make a mighty ocean.
No.
Obahima, the way you take the kente club. Where we have ballot box down. Whoa. Who we have ballot box down?
Objection, my lord.
Relevance, counsel.
Obahima, wako akonda na.
Relevance.
Because she looked like Langard with bullets by her side.
Retract and move on to your question.
The bullets.
No.
Like, okay. I'll take a shot of you, okay? You, now you speak Tree a lot. You speak English. You stay at Kuwait, Atosu.
No.
You ever true go to China?
I don't think so. Sister,
please come. Yes, now you are the only China woman. Come. Don't worry. China people, you are fearless. Oh, enyewo. Please, you two, come. Please put your hands together for Lee Kum Yan.
Ming Tang Fu.
Please, you go and stand in the casket. Anybody who come here can be there. You do. It's not only Galamsey you people are here to do. You do. Your Honor, give him mic.
Please, he don't speak
Where is the microphone?
He don't speak any language. I interpret for him.
So give him the mic.
Mike. Yeah, please. Yeah, go on.
Where are you from? Ni hao yan xin.
Cancel.
I'm from Japan.
Apostle.
But still.
I'm telling you.
Your Honor.
Japan, South Korea, North Korea, China, Taiwan, you are one.
Asia. All Asia.
If you are not one, can you do this? You do this? Yeah. Why you people, everything that we have, you do imitate for us. Everything, clothes, you can do some. Tell us why. You are very industrious.
Oh, you can talk in your language. I will interpret.
No.
You say, tell the court. Tell
No.
us.
Oh,
You
I can
produce
interpret.
A lot of,
Thank you.
a lot of fabrics.
Sir.
Tell us why your industry, it go far. Every country, you have something there. Tell us.
Your Honor. I said, who are you cry?
I'm laughing to you.
Yeah. I was also
Cancel. Step this way so I can.
I said, who are you
Step this way.
Be careful.
Cancel.
Please listen to your.
What is your name?
Please speak in there.
Lisako.
Lisa, do you hear what he's saying? Do you understand it? A little. So make it as simple as possible and quick.
Help me.
As quick as possible.
Japan, you produce fabric, true or false?
True.
True. You produce African fabric?
No.
You don't produce African fabric.
Yeah, maybe no.
So any African artifact or artwork or anything that we see there come from Africa, true or false?
True.
Good. So it is possible that somebody can steal something from Africa and bring it to Japan, true or false? Say it. True.
True.
After today, you will know that something is here. Thank you for clarifying everything for us. God bless China. Did you qualify for the World Cup?
Japan, yes.
Japan, did you qualify for World Cup?
Yes.
World Cup. USA, Canada, Mexico.
Yes.
You go and play football at the World Cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Your Honor, this one we just use it to pass inside. Some time ago, like 2015 or 2016, if like the lights go up, unless next week. But now that they come back again, the research is working. Next time, you will see. So it means that this cloth, particular cloth, since you know this woman, you come together and send it abroad, true or false?
I don't think so.
You would think so.
Because only mommy, yen just in your sim.
Yen just so about the same copy abroad or catch.
I will obey my film.
Yes.
Mammy Musu Asem.
Son.
I am a person your money in Ntatia. Baby, I do know. Prison that be bet my bill. But you cannot cry and it's me to be a who one chair. And you cannot make cancer on me just to cry and get yes.
And you back on your clan.
I will but I brand you in a way. Unim no.
Macama, dear, but yes, make actually.
Okay,
yes.
We are Chinese.
Debbie.
Obey.
Now, your honor, you see Chinese in your world before. If you see Chinese is Obolo, then it's Pepsi adverts they are going to do. Woman, do you know Yokozuna?
Yokozuna. Okay, back to it. Mommy. Ayoba. Onye Chinese ni. Why not then to manoma a branch?
About Charmin and Vivian. Come I am simple. Nan to my board in say not your crow man here in the bush and fire. Make Jimmy and Mamma Nada.
Yona price room.
Pa.
How much? Because we could do honor. Sister enemy dancing.
How I am
price a woman. Yona unim. Young Chanitia, many of from Mammy. Oh, Mammy, I was a price. Also, then now can be good saying. Price room, a hand today. I can many of from Momo. Nanka Milton. Semeton. Yen your hand no bia ye. Yona. Ubenya brand new tiara back.
Cratch, 1 2. One no cockatry.
I ran a bra.
A mamma money and the account was some. Ubenya for Framae. Nasan to 1 crown. Wouldn't it mean none more fra? A son and I may be hold on.
Hey, how about you to Mamma? Hey, Canada, I want to once. I said yes, I for him. I never be real to Mamma. I what do I see mine? I said yes, I never be real. Never be real. Never be real. Nana mwabusu way. Nana way. Nana masio. Nana masio. Nana masio. Nana masio. Mama falling. John, me beto falling church. We are penny funny. Sir. Oh, Anya Maria Mo. To my way. Yamamera. Any yaman. Me fa mamma over me petty gadia with yaman. Yana nanum. And I didn't tomorrow come ye for my ye. And none more bako, and for bako, a himama bako, obia bako. Yaya pencil, and I never told tomorrow. Yeah, what I Obama. I'm see a corner enterprise and what's here. What you want to look at him?
Yes, that's what we want to know. Was it selling for? What you say? How much, how much? $2.5 million. So
what?
Just look at the money.
Sikana wobo na betimi atontoma we. Ha. Ya mamra ene ya mane aya nananom abatu ho ma aya no. Bibia ni wiase.
Mampo kontonchi. Abuanya kumana na ne. Mampo kontonchi. Amamira ni amane ne eda na die no. Ye tuyefo. Ye na nanu abre ye redi ani. E de moja gu fom. Apeja pade kese de amame no mienu. Na sika wo. Enne ni na efiri yensa. Ye todi ni na efiri yensa. Ye todi ye num ye ya. Ye kenta kese ya na nanu ye ma ye. Edine yira edini binde se fatia fatankroma enkwada wada ndua emududu osai enanim ntuma ye ka ho asemi obi amfa fatia ho ye nananu apa gudi agu ye da die nti ye kwa chiri wo duva ya wo se fatia ye ka ni na ne se ejapade bia ye nananu di gya ye tumi wom ye nhwe ni ye mum ye nhwe ni ye na ye mo ho ban Nenyi yare dom ohaw ne abebrese enkoda na enne ahita yesu nyina afiri ya nananom anam wo mutu ya yamfa ni die amfa amomo mampo kontonchi ose ye ose ye nananom ya damasio
Okay. No, okay. What do you say? What will you say?
Baby,
you don't have anything.
Baby, Adrian. Baby, Adrian.
Yona. Is this not the time where the dwarf will disappear?
Yona, 24 says, okay. You're too Chadian for Muda. So,
Johanna, one more thing. Namusika name. Oh, enemy. Let me know. Na case no one say. Na me dem fam case mo ba.
2.5 million aje and go me send you worker.
Me tim be na ko fa me ba say me interpret ba.
Order. Okay, this is the point where in the end so be a bonia. Yen kase ade na yira ene ehu enti ye jana manako
awo frim
e was say asotwe ese fata no
awo frim
awo miabi
the two of you mummy and mummy jina ni say
including their lawyers
mummy and mummy jina ni say mama
Yona
abewa bra me mon komo
mama o se mi o jina ono mama ase ono mama mi oni
Abra Bejan is saying, Mammy. Bra, when you can.
I can't 4 months, and then 100. I can't 4 months. And you will
okay, they are done, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Me, Peniaso. It was here.
Yona.
What to the blow?
I beg you before you say anything. Somebody say Utiswa. They told you, why long time you don't give this problem that we are coming to end and you bring this problem? What do you mean by Utiswa? They told you
Sani Adano, yeah, no Sunyane no. Or before from Bua Atheno. Doctor, me pacho. Becho Masumae. Yapa some one share, doctor.
What do you think? Hello. Dubai trip beer.
What's that?
Microphone.
Au revoir.
Ako prison da. Oh, daddy.
Order. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for your rapt attention. So last year, around the same time, you share our higher CCB auditorium and our Shanty Fest 2025, the year Jesus versus Judas. If we are saying, we are at the for 21 days, it becomes your character or your second nature. A free Ashanti Fest 2025. I remember clearly CCB auditorium here, almost Akwaba versus Obake. Sunane, Mosa Akwaba versus Obake. Ashanti Fest 2026. And I'm with the Kentiho Asem and Abre. Abusia Mama Musam Kasia and Fama Union. So what it tells us all is say Kumawood, Kejetia versus Makola, any young creatives, no. For the past 1 year, you have been consistent. Today, I say, the all fruit you are pan piano. This is more fruit you are padia. I want to assure you on behalf of His Excellency the President, say, Piabia was a piano piano. We will push you for you to be able to bring this to us. Oba hey, so what dream be kura me sure so be do fie no. Na ya. First ana Saturday numre bia yehu Kisom concert party. Yehu cantata, yehu by the fireside, yehu Kumawood movies. E wo your screens so no. Na enema omo ye no ye nema it preaches unity, loyalty to state. Si ebenya ahofama ediamo man no santiman ni onuado ewo yentem saade ni free wa enei ye hwe obroni de ne obihofro de no anamman tetimu papa mu nanti twitwa bebre aba enti ebese ye kan yesu bio say Kumawood is back again.
Yes.
Dramalog is here to stay. And we love the collaboration. Before our performance, I saw a group from Sunyane, that is Earth Dreams Entertainment, performing fantastically here on this very platform. We are in for all progressive forms of partnerships in making sure say Yabebwa near reviving the local movie industry. Two things, and I see what ha. Ye call for me na sagranti wo no mo amokobi no. Mo hwe ya nkugu Asante di ya the worst of defeat in the history of Ashanti Kingdom. It took Omoaho to betray the kingdom and sell our information to the British for them to be able to defeat us. Ya mami onwa na tete no. O tete ni nyina so was it odono was in the papa mua. So what it means you say so obi ebenya wa na abu obi beka wa entuma no way. So what it means you say we should keep a very pure heart. We should love each other without any reservations whatsoever, and we should protect each other. Next year nim say yakofa ade na de be hye obi nti no na yakofa ni asaba betna akire wa ha eze di odanso krum yatoso mienu ye say ya mamre ne ya mane panifo say ure fi ukrom hene aben a wo yira wo bedase yemu bebre wa wa and because of exposure to the global world no ye hu ye ho say ya bibifo mpo ye dwen say ye bi abrofo bi na yama ye bibifo ebodin yatim. We are one people with one destiny under the Republic of Ghana in Africa, and we must take charge of our future in making sure say we redefine Africa, we redefine Ghana. So we want to ask everyone gathered here, say,
Yanka ya humom, Niam build the Asantamai, Niam build the Ghana. Yanesa, and on minor ever quite anymore. Edi Bonia, my idea, you're the Chamoni.
Yeah. A report for you. I got it from the Kumasi and the Accra Metro. They say, good evening, Ghana. Good evening.
Good evening, Uncle.
Yo. But before you go, you mentioned that first we have concert party and all those stuff. We are privileged to have one of the longest serving concert party people in our midst. Mr. Beautiful.
Put your hands together for Mr. Beautiful. Mr. Beautiful, join us here. Mr. Beautiful, no be our show.
He comes with one.
Put your hands together for him as he comes upstage. Our legends are our movie industry, any creative industry back on no. Kumawood for Mumra upstage. Let us recognize them. Pusha, and I know Pusha, I don't know. Wow. Put your hands together for them once again. Great. Help him up here. So together we would be able to revive the industry. Again, we have seen a lot of concerns on most of the platforms. You invite and all that. I want to assure you, see who all those concerns. After Ashanti Fest 2026, Drama Loki, Kumawood border Yati or Monomino Machia, Makatro say, I dance until you come from Kunso a day. You wash it. And today, Mamma in a phone call, Mamma in a non qua, say letter cra or Montaipi, say above war cra or Muntu. Near West Yabetimak and Wabum, near Kaya who bombs the Swan and Minim Sebabua, Nadia Santa Maya Conanim, Nadia Ghana so Conanim. 8 million Moboni incoming who and I come in Fanchamo. And so I say, Makume Bafom. As Makume Bafom. Matisia Bessan, another court hearing. Your program, Ebaso. Intimate Mama Pusha and Penny for no Maka. Every Amokosa court near appeal court, Namco Dibimwa. Then they are the Achamo. Eddie Pusha, when your mic and Amon Cabo program, no one some grand show audience.
Honorable, I have met to Bobo. Ezu. When you say me colors, I don't know. I can never turn away from my colors. Honorable, ye na Yehudia oye wa santimemu. Adia ba kupe eni ebetum aye dia boano. Se unhu bibi uti bibi na wonte asia. Ne do no we bie ne kakra. Tep